3 AI tools that will replace jobs in 2025. Future of AI tools you must know. AI is moving faster than ever. Here are 3 new AI tools that are so advanced, they might actually replace real jobs in 2025. Let's see how. Synthesia.io, the AI video presenter. This tool creates talking videos using AI avatars. No camera, no microphone. You can make training videos, YouTube content, or tutorials just by typing your script. ChatGPT 4.0, AI that thinks and talks like a human. This upgraded version of ChatGPT can understand voice, images, and even emotions. Writers, marketers, and assistants, beware. This AI is next level. RunwayML.com, AI video editor. Runway can remove backgrounds, edit scenes, and even generate videos automatically. Video editors and creators, this one's a total game changer. So, do you think AI will really replace humans soon? Comment your thoughts below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more AI tools, only on AI Spark Hub.